guys, welcome back to another favorites. Welcome back to July favorites. Also guys, हम दोनों को थोड़ा cold है, so please bear with the voice in this video. But yeah, let's get started.
Okay, so as usual, starting off with makeup favorites, I have the Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. This is in the shade Nude Twist. We have talked and raved about this range. It is so affordable, so good quality. I have this lipstick on my lips right now. I have the shade Nude Dream. मैं 2-3 tubes उसकी खत्म कर चुकी हूँ. That is more on the pink side. This is more on the brown side. But it is just for 295 rupees in such a beautiful formulation. I got it on a discount. I got it for just 210 rupees during the Nykaa's hot pink sale, and it is very good. You all should definitely check it out. It is so underrated, and I've been constantly wearing this.
For me, my first makeup favorite is this foundation. This is by Color Bar. This is their 24 hours weightless foundation, and I'm in the shade 3.2. This is such a lightweight, and lightweight in the sense of it's not heavy, it's not cakey. I use 2 pump of it, and it gives me full coverage. I like my foundations to be usually full coverage. This is the foundation which I'm wearing also right now. Very long lasting. I love the finish of it. Also, it is quite travel friendly. Plus, it comes with a pump. ऐसी सारे tube में usually वो पिचकू आता है, but this comes with a pump, which is a nice thing. I'm literally halfway there. I guess मैंने ये पूरे महीने और उससे भी पहले यही foundation use किया है, which I really love.
Okay, so the next thing that I have is this bag right here. It just looks so Instagrammy and aesthetic, and that's the only reason I bought it actually. So this is from an Instagram store called as Ashiko. I will leave their handle here on the screen. And actually they had a end of season or some sort of sale going on. Just by buy one get one offer tha. This is originally priced at 800 rupees, but I got two, one for my friend and one for me. And 400 rupees mein hum log ko ye bag mila.
Nice,
that is a very good deal, and it stores a lot of stuff. It's quite big. The only thing I don't like is वो चेन ना ज़्यादा देर यहाँ पे शोल्डर पे नहीं रहती है. But anyways ये छोटा है ना, तो मैं उसको हाथ में ही लेके घूमती हूँ. But it is so good, and I ordered black color. मेरी friend ने nude लिया. Black is a classic, and it's just very good and Instagrammy and very good quality as well. So yeah, you all should definitely check this out.
I did click pictures with this, and it looks so good. So the next favorite which I have is offline shopping. मैंने इतने time बाद offline shopping किया. I went to Lokhandwala, obviously the one very famous store, One Love Outfitters. I guess that is what it's called. Yeah, I went over there and I did some shopping. The top which I'm wearing right now is also from there. I also got this top. So this is like a spaghetti top, but it also comes with a jacket. So it is good to pair with. I did a lot of shopping. I guess मैंने और 2 tops और 2 shorts और वो सब लोखंडवाला में से ही खरीदा. But it felt so good buying offline. इतने टाइम से हम online shopping कर रहे हैं, so offline shopping was my favorite part about this month.
Now continuing the topic of shopping, even I did a lot of shopping but online. So I got a lot of basic t-shirts from Urbanic. This one that I'm wearing is from Urbanic itself, and it's such a cute color. It says do not give up, as in do not give up. You get it right. And I bought 2-3 more tops, and I got everything on sale for like 300-400 rupees max. And yeah, there is an issue कि order आने को 20-25 दिन लग जाते हैं, but oh my god, the quality is so good, exactly like Shein, and so trendy. ऐसे graphic tees मुझे ना रास्ते पे मिलते हैं ना कहीं और कोई brand पे, at least in this price range and in my size. So I'm really loving shopping from Urbanic, but just wait for sales.
Yeah. So the next thing which I have are headphones, earphones. So I know this is quite stupid, but I have a reason why. I used to wear those Bluetooth earphones पहले, but मैं gym में ना वो नहीं पहन पा रही थी because वो बहुत निकल रहा था. Especially when I'm walking on the treadmill or I'm doing something like that which is a lot of movement. So मैं वो नहीं पहन पा रही थी, and that is the reason I love this, because ये गले में रहता है तो ये निकलेगा नहीं. Like this is a neck band, so ये निकलेगा नहीं. I got this from Amazon. This is by a brand called as Lumi Ford. मेरे को कुछ डिस्काउंट में मिला था, वो फ्लैश सेल और जो होते हैं, तो आई गॉट इट अराउंड 800 रुपीज़ इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. एंड इसकी बैटरी इज़ सो गुड. आई गेस लाइक मैं दिन में 2 से 3 घंटा इसको यूज़ करती हूँ, एंड आई नीड टू चार्ज आफ्टर एवरी 3 days. सो द बैटरी इज गुड. या द बैटरी इज रियली गुड. ऑल्सो वो जो ब्लूटूथ वाले ईयरफोन्स होते हैं उसमें ना काफ़ी बार हम कॉल पे नहीं बात कर पाते, बिकॉज लाइक आई डोंट हैव द एयरपॉड्स, आई हैव दोज अदर नॉर्मल ब्लूटूथ ईयरफोन्स. तो उसमें मैं कॉल पे नहीं बात कर पाती हूँ बिकॉज द माइक्रोफोन इन दैट इज नॉट गुड. बट इसमें द माइक्रोफोन इज ओवर ईयर ओनली, जैसे ये इधर होता है तो द माइक्रोफोन इज ओवर ईयर ओनली, तो सामने वाले को वॉइस भी बहुत क्लियरली आती है. सो दिस इज गुड फॉर कॉल्स एज वेल. सो दैट इज द रीजन आई लव दिस मोर.
Okay, so the next item that I have is so unlike me. I never thought I would ever purchase this in my entire life. And those are a pair of dumbbells. These are 2 kg each. I got them from Amazon for 444 rupees, which I think is a steal. थोड़े bulky है as compared to normal dumbbells. 2 kg वाले काफी compact आते हैं, but I don't really mind because ये price जो मैंने pay किया is seriously a steal. And they are of good quality. बहुत flimsy नहीं है.
Instagram.
And yeah, they look very fancy as well. And the reason I bought dumbbells is because I've been working out at home for the past 1.5 years. I've lost weight in every single area of my body apart from my arms. And I knew starting से the reason for that is because I'm not holding any weights, you know. Gym में आप machine से करते हो तो काफी जल्दी आपको असर दिखता है. So I was like, you know what, this is the right time. I think अब मुझे वो एक ही area पे focus करना है, so I should invest in them. And I'm so happy, and I was so sore for the first 2 days. Oh my god, क्योंकि मैंने literally 2-3 साल बाद weights उठाए थे. But it is so good. I'm enjoying using them, and they are definitely worth buying if you want to work out from home. Cheap है but बहुत अच्छे हैं.
Yeah. So the next thing which I have is a habit which I have started practicing, that is gratitude journaling. I used to journal from a long time now, but मैंने कभी भी gratitude journal में इतना focus नहीं किया था. So one of my friend Khushi introduced me to gratitude journaling. I knew पहले भी, but I did not implement it. So now every day I write 10 things I'm grateful for. So ये पूरे book में I'm not okay to share this, but ये पूरे book में मैंने literally रोज बैठ के 10 चीज़ें लिखती थी which I'm grateful for. Even if I'm having a bad day, or sometimes when I start my day I just write that. So it really helps me with those small things in your life. You start being grateful for, like I'm grateful for the AC, I'm grateful for the fan or something like that. So which makes me little bit more happy because एक महीने पहले ना मैं बहुत complain कर रही थी and that is when she told me to do this, and I can see a lot of difference. I can see a lot of difference in myself.
Okay, so the next thing is the favorite show of the month. So season 2 of Never Have I Ever came this month on Netflix, and I loved season 1 as well. I love season 2 as well. It is a twisted high school romance sort of a thingy. मजा आया, lightweight sort of light-hearted sort of show है. And I guess season 3 भी आने वाला है. They sort of announced it in the end, so I'm excited for that as well. So yeah, that was my favorite show of the month.
For me, I have favorite movie. So I watched After and After We Collide. These are 2 different movies. These are part of the movies. Like After is the first part and After We Collide is the second part. So again, it's kind of a high school romance only, but it's quite interesting, and there were a lot of things which I could relate to about relationships and all that. So I was like, I really liked it. And the 3rd season is again coming in September. So I'm very excited for it. You guys should watch that.
Okay, now moving on to the favorite day of the month. If you follow me on Instagram, you might already know. I celebrated my dad's 50th birthday on the 16th of July, and it was a surprise party, and I vlogged it as well. I think the next video that you all will see is that vlog. So it was a very fun and a very good, nicely planned surprise. I never thought I would be able to pull something like that off, but my dad was so happy, and it was just a very good day. I will never ever forget that. Yes, year ke starting se I knew that it is my parents' 25th anniversary and my dad's 50th birthday. So ये 2 चीज़ें तो मुझे grand and special करनी ही है, and I'm so grateful that I was able to do that for my parents and my dad here. So yeah, that was a very special day.
हमारे बीच में बहुत चीजें कॉमन है. मेरे मॉम डैड की भी 25th एनिवर्सरी थी और मेरे डैड का भी 50th बर्थडे ये ईयर में था. सो अगेन इट वाज इन जुलाई इटसेल्फ. हम दोनों के पेरेंट्स का मुझे जुलाई में है. तो हम लोगों ने एक फैमिली ट्रिप मारी इन करजत. सो देयर इज अ रिजॉर्ट कॉल्ड एज द फॉरेस्ट क्लब. ओ माय गॉड, दैट रिजॉर्ट इज सो गुड. लाइक उसे मैं मिनी मालदीव्स बोलती हूँ. आप लाइक रूम हैड एन अटैच्ड स्विमिंग पूल. लाइक दैट वाज द लग्जूरियस vacation I've ever had. So it was also my cousin brother's birthday, so we celebrated that over there. We celebrated my dad's birthday over there. So like, you know, we were there for 3 nights, 2 nights, 2 nights, 3 days, and it was so fun. It was a much needed getaway for me. The weather over there was so good. It was raining the entire time. और 2 सालों के बाद मैं pool में गई. That was the epic thing. And pool में हम जब गए बारिश हो रही थी तो बस भीगे थे and all that. It was the much needed break.
So yeah guys, that's it for this video. We hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you all did then
Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon there to get notified every time we upload a new video.
and we shall see you all in our next video now. Bye.